All right, so this video is going to be pretty short. This is a pretty simple thing, and some of you might find this obvious, but for others it might not be so obvious, and it's a request I had for video, so I'm just going to do it today really quick and show you guys how my workaround for making gradients in Procreate. Now, as of right now, there are no gradient tools in Procreate yet. Hopefully in the future they add that, but at the time of making this video, that is not a feature they have added, and for a lot of artists, gradients are an important tool that they use in their work frequently. So, to do this, what you're going to do, I usually use the airbrush, the soft airbrush, and get it as big as I can, and if you need to, you can adjust the max size so that it's bigger. Wherever that is, I can never remember. But you can adjust the max size maybe under general. Either way, yeah, there we go, yeah. Under general size limits, I have it all the way up to the maximum. So make it nice and big, and I usually start off the screen. I bring my canvas down a little bit. I start off the canvas. I'm going to start up. This is where it would be if I was starting in the middle, but I'm going to start up here. And very softly brush it in to get this sort of gradient effect. Okay, and then if you want, you can layer in more colors than that. Whoops. Up towards the top and whatnot. But that would be how I go about getting a gradient, and you would just keep working with it. Now, once you do that, you can do all sorts of things, like if we make a new layer, let's say, and we make an ellipse here, we can paint a new gradient doing the same thing. And this would be how I would go about it if I was going to need to be using gradients. Once again, it's not actually a gradient tool. They haven't introduced that yet, but this is the best workaround I've come up with so far. Hopefully they introduce something in the future. But yeah, what you want to make sure is that you're keeping it consistent and even, and you're not getting too hard of an edge. Keep it really soft, and you only need to do 1 or 2 passes. But yeah, that's my workaround for creating gradients. Hopefully that was useful. You can find something good out of it. Little update, we won't be doing a live stream tomorrow. I'll just be posting a normal video, but I'm going to try doing a live stream on Saturday. Saturday morning around 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time is when I'm going to start the live stream. So come in, check it out. I'm going to be drawing some robot dinosaurs I was working on last week and answering questions and stuff. So anyways, like I said, today's a short video. That's it for this one. If you enjoyed it, be sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share it with your friends, whatever you find value. Let me know in the comments what type of videos you'd like to see me do in the future. So anyways, that's it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.